Welcome to the Nomadix Cloud product demo. Nomadix Cloud enables you to manage all of your properties, users, and products with Nomadix technology from one dashboard. This cloud-based single sign-on solution provides partners and property managers enhanced visibility, intelligence, management, and monitoring capabilities for Nomadix solutions. This includes gateways, networks, Passpoint, cloud telephony, casting, alerts, and more. What's more, Nomadix Cloud is included at no additional charge. Let's take a look at the solution. When a multi-site end user logs in, Fleet View allows them to see all of their gateways across every property, including the partner who manages each location. They can also filter the list by region, sub-brand, and gateway model. When the MSP or IT admin logs in, they have access to a dashboard that can manage organizations, users, properties, and Nomadix products. Nomadix Fleet View for MSPs offers robust management capabilities for the suite of Internet gateways. Administrators can view all of the gateways across one property or numerous properties, see license status with expirations, upgrade firmware, configure scheduled backups, configure endpoint monitoring, and do advanced filtering by region, country, features, models, status, and much more. Let's look at some of the other product views. For Nomadix Passpoint, admins can see analytics and graphs, including usage across all deployments and devices seen. For a PMS integration, admins can see stats, check-ins, rooms occupied, and more. Nomadix is continually expanding the platform with planned updates, including additional Nomadix products and partner portal integration, enhanced connectivity APIs, enhanced monitoring dashboards and analytics, enhanced alarms and notifications, dedicated views for multi-site end users and master distributors, and a streamlined UI experience across all products. Nomadix. We are your single-source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.